With generative AI evolving so fast, especially with tools like FLUX, it's getting harder to know what's real or fake. Get ready for an exciting experiment where we put the fake detector to the test with images of 12 people. Can you guys guess who's real or fake? If you're new to my channel, I teach robotics and AI, so subscribe to learn more. Image number 1. Image number 2. Image number 3. Image number 4. Image number 5. Image number 6. Image number 7. Image number 8. Image number 9. Image number 10. Image number 11. And the final image. Pause the video right here and comment your answers below. Here's what the fake detector predicted. First one, fake. Second one, real. Third one, real. Fourth one, real. Fifth one, real. Sixth one, fake. Seventh one, real. Eighth one, real. Ninth one, fake. 10th one, real. 11th one, real. And the last one, fake. Do you think the fake detector was right? Find out next time.